I am Baby Matthew, Chairman and Managing Director, Somadhiram Ayurveda Group in Kerala, India. Somadhiram Ayurveda Group started around 30 years before in Kerala, in Trivandrum near Kovalam Beach. The concept was, to start an Ayurveda hospital, a wellness center in a resort ambience. To promote Ayurveda all over the world, to invite people, guests and patients from other countries, from other states, and to provide them better facilities than just like a hospital. That means, we created a very good ambience as an Ayurveda resort. That means it's a hospital with 20 doctors, more than 100 therapists, but you don't feel it's a hospital. You feel it's like a resort, but we are giving all Ayurveda treatments. Ayurveda treatments means, there are two categories of treatments in Ayurveda. Basically, one is for the cure and for the cure of disease. The second category is, for the rejuvenation and prevention of diseases. So basically, Ayurveda is a way of life. Actually, it's a science. Originated in India more than 5,000 years before. It has been proved. It has been practiced for many years. A lot of books written years before that has been published all over the world. Now Ayurveda has become a science which has been accepted all over the world. So Somadhiram was the first Ayurveda resort in the world. Those days there was only Ayurveda hospitals, basically for the local people with limited facilities. But we created more facilities with more doctors, specially trained doctors, specially trained therapists. Even we have our own Ayurveda medicine manufacturing licensed factory and unit. In Ayurveda, medicine is very important. To get genuine medicine, Ayurveda mainly it is herbals, natural herbals. It is available in Kerala. The advantage of Ayurveda in Kerala is because of the geography, the climate of Kerala. In Kerala, we have the minimum temperature is around 20 degrees, the maximum is 30-34. So, and we have a lot of rain, we have a lot of greenery. We have 44 rivers in our small state. We have forest, hill stations, we have paddy fields, plantations, and lakes, backwaters, 600 kilometers of beach we have. So this advantage is a speciality of Kerala. That is the reason Kerala is known for Ayurveda, the home of Ayurveda. And in that place only Somadhiram Ayurveda Group, we created Somadhiram there only. It is situated in Kerala, and our doctors, there are a lot of universities, there are a lot of colleges, Ayurveda medical colleges in India, in Kerala and the nearby states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. If you go anywhere, of course, in North India also, in Gujarat, everywhere Ayurveda hospitals are there. And the qualified doctors, specially trained for treating and giving consultation and treatment to guests from other countries and other states. That is advantage. One of the advantages Somadhiram Ayurveda Group has got.
Do you have some branches?
We have at present 5 units in Kerala. One is Somadhiram Ayurveda Resort. The second one is Soma Malalthiram Ayurveda Village. Third one is Soma Palm Shore. Fourth one is Soma Kerala Palace in Cochin. Fifth one is Soma Birds Lagoon, again in Cochin. These 5 units are now doing Ayurveda and Yoga. Ayurveda is always related to Yoga. Yoga, as we all know, yoga is also originated in India, like Ayurveda. I think sometimes, yoga is more popular than Ayurveda all over the world. Now we understand, people are practicing yoga all over the world than those who practice in India. So everybody follow these two sciences. One is Ayurveda, second is yoga. These two sciences the world is following, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji last year took initiative to announce Yoga Day. June 21st is the Yoga Day, International Yoga Day, with the approval of UN. So yoga and Ayurveda and meditation goes together. This is what Somadhiram Ayurveda group is doing. Another advantage of Ayurveda is, Ayurveda has got no side effects. See, the medicines used are natural herbs and combinations of natural herbs, and this do not have any side effects. If we think about treatment in other medicines, the cost of the treatment is also very less compared to any other treatments in the world. For example, a person coming from another country for a treatment for an arthritis or arthritis-oriented disease, it is common in European countries. They can come to India, or they can come to Somadhiram or to Kerala or any other place, any other Ayurveda center. They can have the treatment for 14 days, 21 days, 30 days, or 7 days. And they can enjoy the place. They can visit the other places with limited expense. With that money, they can take treatment only 2 or 3 days in their country. So in that ways, cost-wise also, this Ayurveda treatment is very advantageable.